In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward multiple emails in Gmail. If you've ever needed to send several emails to someone at once, Gmail makes that process much easier than forwarding each message one by one. Instead of opening every email individually, you can select multiple messages and send them together as attachments in a single email. This is especially useful when you want to share a full email trail, records, or reference messages while keeping everything organized. To begin, open your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main email list view so you can see all the messages you want to work with. Next, find the emails you want to forward and click the checkboxes beside each one. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct messages, because everything you check will be included in the outgoing email. This is a good time to double-check the subject lines and dates if you want to stay organized. Once your emails are selected, go to the top of the email list and click the More icon, shown as 3 vertical dots. This opens a menu with additional actions you can take on the selected messages. From that menu, click Forward as attachment. This option is what allows Gmail to package all of the selected emails together rather than forwarding them one by one in separate threads. After that, a new Compose window will open automatically. You'll see that all the emails you selected have been attached as .eml files. These files let the recipient open each forwarded email individually, which helps preserve the original message format and details. Now enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Then add a clear subject line so the person receiving the email understands what the attached messages are about. You can also write a short message in the body of the email to explain why you're sending these attachments or to provide any helpful context. This makes your email more professional and easier for the recipient to understand. If needed, click into the message area and highlight or review your content before sending. This is a simple but helpful final check to make sure your message looks right and that everything is ready to go. Finally, click Send. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded multiple emails in Gmail using the Forward as Attachment feature. It's a quick and efficient way to share several messages at once without creating extra confusion. If you use Gmail regularly, this is a great time-saving method to remember whenever you need to send a group of related emails.